Here's a bread pakora recipe in USA English, simple, crispy, and perfect for a snack or breakfast. Bread pakora, bread fritter recipe. Prep time, 15 mins. Cook time, 15 mins. Servings 4. Ingredients. For the stuffing. 2 large potatoes, boiled and mashed. 1 green chili finely chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger grated. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, coriander leaves. 1/2 tsp red chili powder. 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. 1/2 tsp garam masala. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon lemon juice optional. For the batter. 1 cup gram flour besan. 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. 1/2 tsp red chili powder. A pinch of baking soda optional for crispiness. Salt to taste. Water enough to make a smooth batter. Others. 4 slices of sandwich bread, white or whole wheat. Oil for deep frying. Instructions. 1. Make the potato stuffing. In a bowl, mix mashed potatoes, green chili, ginger, cilantro, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt, and lemon juice. Mix well and keep aside. 2. Prepare the batter. In another bowl, mix gram flour, turmeric, red chili powder, baking soda, and salt. Add water gradually and whisk to make a thick, smooth batter, like pancake batter. 3. Assemble the bread pakora. Cut the bread slices in halves, triangular or square. Take 1/2, spread a spoon of potato filling, and cover with another half to make a sandwich. Press lightly to seal. 4. Frying. Heat oil in a deep frying pan on medium flame. Dip each stuffed sandwich into the besan batter, coat evenly, and gently slide into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Remove on paper towels to drain extra oil. Serving suggestions. Serve hot with green chutney, ketchup, or masala chai. Would you like a video script or YouTube title ideas for this recipe too?